everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to print an invitation card in Microsoft Word. So let's first search for an invitation card. Go to File, then New, Cards. Now let's type invitation in the search bar. And let's select this one, for example. Then click on Create. Now to print this invitation card, just go to File, then Print. And here you can change the printer in the printer section. You can also click on printer properties to change the properties. In the settings, you can select to print all pages if you have multiple pages, print selection, print current page, or custom print. You can select print one-sided or manually print on both sides if you have multiple pages. You can select landscape orientation or portrait orientation. Here you can select the size, the margins, and how many pages per sheet. And once you're done, here you can select how many copies you want to print from this invitation card. So let's say we want to print 20 invitation cards. Just enter 20 and then click on print. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.